to A7, which means it's to the right. There's like no one here. Literally, there's like us and that one person. That's it. Wow. So we are at gate A7. It's like 5:30-ish, and there's no one here besides me and my sister. Literally, no one's here besides us. Airbnb. I think the last time we came to Korea we stayed in Hongdae in like an office hotel kind of thing, a studio, and it was a lot closer to like the shops, the nightlife. It was just like a few minutes walk away, whereas where we're staying, I think it's part of Hongdae but a bit further, where they live in apartments where it's a lot less, like not so much higher. So this is 2 levels, and so we got here early and it was a bit trouble getting here. Like the taxi driver didn't know how to get here, so thought he's gonna kick us out. We weren't supposed to check in by 2 and we were here by 1 o'clock, so we weren't sure how to get here, like as in like, do we go in, do we not go in, who do we call? So luckily we have our Korean friend, and she kind of told us she's on her way from here from Busan, but she's not here yet. So we were kind of like going around, don't even know what we're doing. Anyway, so across the road there's a GS25, went to buy water and then came back, and now we're checked in. Once you walk up the stairs, someone lives at the bottom, and like it's a residential, so they've got their, I don't know, it looks a bit scary because they've got, I don't know, it just looks scary, but it's fine. They have their clothes hanging, there's like bushes, pots and plants, and then one of the man who cleaned the Airbnb, he helped me bring up my luggage up the stairs, and funny thing is the handle on my luggage broke, the one on the top, so this one here broke. So I'm gonna have to use the side of my luggage to carry it around, which is annoying. So I'll give you a quick tour of the Airbnb. This is the door, and for Korean houses you don't really bring your shoes into the house because it's a bit dirty, so you leave them in this area and then you wear socks or barefoot or thongs, whatever you want to do. So as I was saying, there's pot plants, bushes, clothes hanging, stuff here. Across is a cafe, and across there is CCU convenience store. This is our kitchen. There's a microwave, a washing machine, obviously the sink and stove. There is the fridge. That's a heating fan. This is a clothes rack, and, and this is like the dining area, and on the wall it has decor there. And over here you have a sitting area. So this Airbnb has 3 bedrooms. So this one I would say looks the best. There's a TV sitting here, but I don't know how we're going to watch it because like the bed's facing this way and there's no seatings here. So this is the first bedroom, and me and my sister are going to use this bedroom, and there's a massive mirror and shelf there. This is the second bedroom. It's a bit small. You got a makeup table there and a single bed here, so obviously it's enough for 1 girl, not for 2. As I said, the sitting area, the bathroom is a bit I guess it's usable, but it's not the best. And then you've got the third bedroom here, which is a bunk bed. So me and my sister take this bedroom, but we're here first, so we don't care. We're taking the good bedroom. This Airbnb is pretty bad. the sheets were smelly, the pillows were sweaty, the bathroom is horrible. So the Airbnb lady is not replying us, and so we're trying to get a refund of her, and she's not replying Airbnb either, so that means we might be able to qualify for a full refund. So now we're trying to look for some new Airbnb place around this area that we could stay in. If not this area, I think somewhere nearby. Pretty much packed up. We're gonna go try to check in to our other B&B and then head to dinner for Korean barbecue because we're all starving. I've done my makeup, I've packed up. All I gotta do is just change bag because this is my travel bag, and I'm gonna swap it into a smaller bag. That's pretty much what has been happening. Slept for a few hours, 2 hours, got up, washed up, unpacked, repacked, and now we're heading out soon again. Hopefully this next place isn't as bad as this one. Door, and then right through the door you have the bathroom. Compared to the other bathroom, this is so much nicer, and the shower head is separate, and you got this massive mirror here. And after that, here is the living area, couch, TV, and then you have this small kitchen area, but it's fine. Is there a fridge? No, there's no fridge.
Yeah, no, that's a bit of a ghetto.
There's no washing machine. Oh wait, I'm blind. There's one right there. What's wrong with me? No.
There's no fridge.
No fridge.
Yes. What about all our hanging vacuums?
And then through here is the first bedroom with the double bed. There's aircon and this cute small makeup table. So this is the other bedroom with storage cupboards and a single bed. This is the TV. Windows, and I lied, this is actually the fridge here. Mad.
It's still moving. Oh my god.
Yeah, because I feel it's like almost frozen. So when you drink it straight, it's like really good.
But it's not frozen because it's soju. Like vodka, when you put it in freezer, it's never like frozen like ice, right?
아, 네. 아, 그래요? 색깔이 달라져요?